Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage your design projects with Figma, complete guide step by step clearly. Start by opening Figma and creating a new project. Figma's interface consists of three main sections: the toolbar, the canvas, and the layers panel. Begin by naming your project to keep things organized. Use the toolbar to select various tools like the frame tool, shape tool, and text tool. Draw frames to create the different screens of your design. Make sure to utilize the grid system to ensure proper alignment and spacing. Add shapes to serve as buttons or containers for your content. Incorporate text fields for titling and labeling elements clearly. Take advantage of layers in the Layers panel to organize your design. Group related layers to keep your workspace tidy and manageable. Use the color picker to define a consistent color palette for your project. Experiment with different fonts to find a style that fits your design. Remember to use components for reusable design elements like buttons or icons. Select existing elements and create components to streamline your design process. Start working with constraints to ensure responsive design across different screen sizes. Preview your design using the play button to see how it all looks together. Once you're satisfied with your design, you can share it with team members. Simply click on the Share button to generate a link. Set permissions to control who can view or edit your project. Take feedback from collaborators seriously and make necessary adjustments. When ready, use the export option to save your design assets. Choose the formats you need, such as PNG, JPG, or SVG, depending on your requirements. Continuously iterate based on feedback and testing to refine your designs. Utilize plugins to enhance your Figma workspace with additional functionality. Integrate tools like design systems or accessibility checkers for better results. As you complete your project, consider documenting your process for future reference. Organize your Figma files into folders for easier access and management. Keep your project files updated to reflect the latest version of your work. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.